So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we're going over the Radius Series zero-turn mower operations. First, you want to do a few visual checks before starting the mower. Check the fuel level and top off with fresh gas if needed. Next, check the oil level and add oil if low. Be sure to check tires for proper air pressure. Next, clear any debris from the mower deck and also inspect the mower blades for damage or excessive wear. Now that we've gone over our visual checks, we want to make sure the deck is set to the correct height we wish to cut at. First, you can lift the deck up by pushing the foot pedal assist. Next, you can lock in the deck at the transport height using the deck lock on the right side. Now you can drop the pin into the height you wish to cut at, push in the foot pedal assist, and unlock the deck so that it drops to the height you wish to cut. Now let's go over the control levers before starting the mower. To move forward at a straight even line, you want to push both levers evenly at the same time. To go backwards at an even line, you want to pull both levers backwards at an even pace. To make a turn, to turn to the left, you want to push the right lever outwards. That's going to power this wheel to start turning. And then to turn to the right, you're going to power the left control lever outwards, and that's going to turn the left wheel. So now that we've done our visual checks, we're ready to start the mower. Always be sure to have proper ear and eye protection when mowing. First, you can place the control levers into the outward neutral position. Next, you want to make sure the parking brake is engaged. Make sure the yellow PTO switch is in the off position. Now you can push the choke up into the on position and push the throttle up into the midway position. Now you can turn the key until the mower starts. Once the mower starts, make sure to slowly release the choke lever out of the choke position. Now that you have the mower started, be sure to disengage the parking brake. And now we can go over the control levers again. When you want to move straight forward at an even pace, you want to move both levers outward evenly. To move backwards, you can pull both levers in evenly. To make a turn to the left, we're going to push this right lever outwards. To turn back to the right, we're going to push this left lever outwards. Now that we're ready to start mowing, we want to make sure to fully engage the throttle. Always be sure you're fully clear of objects before starting the blades. Now you can push in the yellow PTO switch into the on position. And once you completed mowing, always be sure to turn the blades off before getting off the mower. And always be sure to re-engage the parking brake. Next, you want to throttle the machine down, about to the halfway or below mark, and you can turn the key off. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.